You see a little crack right there in the toe. That's why I kind of put a good bevel on that toe, just to take pressure on there, because most of the time the hoof cracks are caused by pressure and leverage. So put a nice roll on that toe, hopefully take some leverage out, let that crack grow out. Something you might be able to notice that I've been doing is I kind of bevel as I trim. You can see how this foot's all rounded off all the way around. You'll watch as I trim, my nippers aren't flat like this. I'm trimming with a nice bevel on it because I want to mimic that. I don't want them to have to break in and kind of break all the edges off. If I do a nice flat trim, then they have to kind of round off all the edges. But if I just kind of lean my nippers out and put a bevel on it, I tend to like to do it that way. And I'll show you here in a second with my rasp. I kind of continue that bevel that I just did. See, I'm not keeping it flat like this. I just put a nice little bevel on it. As I come around on the heels, I do keep the heels nice and flat. But I just bevel the wall like that. Now I'm just taking the crisp edge off so it doesn't chip up. Taking any little minor flares you might have off. This horse's foot is kind of a strange shape. It's kind of got a square kind of shape to it, but that's all right. We won't give him too hard of a time for that.